Ready to turn your kitchen into a pizzeria? In this video, we're diving into the best indoor pizza ovens that bring sizzling, stone-baked flavor right to your countertop. Whether you're a casual cook or a pizza perfectionist, these ovens promise crispy crusts, melty cheese, and restaurant-quality results, all without stepping outside. Stick around as we reveal the top picks that are heating up home pizza nights like never before. The Ooni Volt 12 turns that dream into a sizzling reality. This sleek, countertop electric oven is Ooni's first foray into plug-and-play pizza perfection, and it delivers impressively. Reaching a fiery 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes, the Volt can churn out a 12-inch stone-baked pizza in as little as 90 seconds. Whether you're a casual cook or a pizza purist, the adjustable heat controls offer flexibility to match your culinary creativity. Neapolitan, New York style, or crispy flatbreads are all within reach. Its durable powder-coated steel shell ensures the oven thrives both indoors and outdoors, with excellent weather resistance and insulation. Surprisingly lightweight, the integrated handles make it easy to move, store, or take the pizza party anywhere. What sets the Volt apart isn't just its portability or speed, it's the confidence it brings. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a weekend gathering, this oven is built to impress, indoors or out. For the serious home Pizzaiolo, the Ooni Volt 12 is more than a gadget. It's a game changer. Meet the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, the countertop marvel that brings wood-fired magic to your kitchen. Reaching 750 degrees Fahrenheit, this sleek stainless steel oven fires up artisan-style pizzas in just 2 minutes. But speed isn't its only strength. Breville's Element IQ system intelligently adjusts heat distribution, mimicking the trifecta of conductive, radiant, and convective heat found in professional brick ovens. The result? A beautifully charred base, leopard-spotted crust, and perfectly caramelized toppings. No rotation needed. From New York slices to pan pizzas, the Pizzaiolo's preset modes offer effortless consistency, while the manual mode invites pizza enthusiasts to fine-tune every detail, from heat zones to crust focus. It's an oven that respects both the casual cook and the crust connoisseur. Designed for safety and heat retention, its double-pane window and insulated chamber keep the searing heat inside and your kitchen cool. Add in the included pizza peel and pan, and you're ready to roll straight out of the box. For anyone serious about elevating pizza night, the Breville Pizzaolo is a countertop revolution and a love letter to pizza lovers everywhere. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven, a powerful, space-saving appliance that brings restaurant-quality pizza to your home in minutes. Designed to hit blazing temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, this countertop electric oven delivers the char, crunch, and chew you expect from your favorite pizzeria. Its sleek design fits comfortably into compact kitchens, but don't let its size fool you. This oven is all about performance. With 5 touchscreen presets, including Neapolitan, New York, pan, thin crust, and frozen, plus a manual mode, you're in full control of how your pizza looks, tastes, and feels. Thanks to dual heating elements and a double-paned window, the Chefman retains high heat for back-to-back cooking, making it perfect for feeding a crowd. Whether you love that blistered crust or melty cheese, this oven nails it with precision and speed. The included pizza stone, peel, and digital cookbook mean you can get started right out of the box. Backed by advanced safety features and a 1-year assurance, it's not just powerful, it's reliable. For passionate pizza lovers craving pro results without leaving home, the Chefman Pizza Oven delivers serious heat and even better flavor. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven is your go-to gadget for quick, evenly cooked meals, without heating up your whole kitchen. At the heart of this clever design is the rotating tray, which spins continuously for even browning and baking. Paired with independently controlled top and bottom heating elements, you can fine-tune how your pizza cooks. Extra crispy crust? Focus the heat below. Bubbling golden cheese? Turn up the top. Or use both for perfectly balanced results every time. The built-in timer adds peace of mind, automatically shutting off the heat and alerting you when your pizza is ready. No more guesswork or burnt crusts. And it's not just for pizza. From frozen snacks to reheated leftovers, this energy-efficient oven uses up to 60% less power than a traditional oven, making it an eco-friendly, space-saving hero in small kitchens, dorms, and RVs. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just remove the non-stick baking pan and wipe it down. Compact, reliable, and surprisingly versatile, the Presto Pizzazz Plus makes everyday cooking delightfully simple. The Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven CPZ 120 is your new countertop MVP. Designed for both speed and versatility, this stainless steel powerhouse reaches up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking crispy, authentic 12 inches pizzas in 5 minutes or less after a short preheat. The wide temperature range, 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you total control over crust texture and cheese melt, while the large viewing window and interior light let you keep an eye on the action without interrupting the bake. No more peeking under lids or guessing when it's done. Just perfectly cooked pizza every time. Cuisinart doesn't stop at just heat. It equips you with a complete pizza kit, including a 12.5 pizza stone for that crispy base, a deep dish pan for Chicago-style creations, and a pizza peel for effortless handling. Plus, user-friendly controls, an integrated cooking guide, and a countdown timer make the whole process intuitive and stress-free. For home chefs who want artisan results without outdoor ovens or complicated setups, the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven delivers a flavor-packed punch with zero compromise.